Hello everyone. Now I can show you how to use SD slot or slot for SD card for Samsung A34 5G. So first of all you need to take this device to push in the hole, open slot. As you can see, it's a slot only for uh, two SIM cards use like this. One SIM card is can install like this, and the second SIM card can install like that, so so after that you can install this slot inside phone if you want to choose, but you can choose only two SIM card at the same time, only one SIM card and SD card. So for using one SIM card and one SD card, you need to change one of SIM card and a little bit another. First of all, you need to install to click the SD card here and install the SIM card, micro SIM card, like here, like there, and after install the SD slot to your phone. So now it will be works on one SIM card and one SD card. If you don't know, that device is from China side. It's very cheap device. It let be to use the same time 3 devices. So it's two SIM card and one SD card. How it works? How does it work? It works like that. You put your SIM card the second to this device. After you need to by clue to install this contact, this one, and so you need to put all of them, these devices, to your phone like that. And after because first of all you need to, I will not to do it because I need to glue, because I don't need it. I need to glue the first of all here, and here to put glue here, because for installation it's a bit better. So if you like this video, just take a like. Bye.